Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. My name is Cody Bill, this is Logan Burgess. Today is the 18th here and we have the markets moving lower here. Let's take a look at the iPad and see where we closed off the day. Corn trading down 3 cents, soybeans down 11 cents. We also had Chicago wheat trading down 11.25 cents here. We had export sales out this morning and it seems as though it did not favor wheat. We came in, we missed analyst expectations with only about 314,000 metric tons sold. Expectations between 450 and 650,000 metric tons. That was very disappointing. Corn and soybeans came in about on par with analyst expectations, but really we didn't see a whole lot of boost here for the grains.
You know, we saw quite substantial selling in the wheat market today. Certainly wasn't helped out by those export sales. They were down about 15% from the previous 4-week average. Another thing that's weighed on the wheat market heavily has been exceptional strength out of the dollar index really since July of this year. You can see this here on the daily chart. We did have a little bit of a sell-off here today. It looked like we gave back some of the gains yesterday following the Federal Reserve meeting, but really no changes to the trend. It looks like dollar index here is continuing to be extremely strong, and we know that when we see that, wheat tends to suffer because wheat has a hard time being competitive on the global front when we're looking at export prices out of the Black Sea in particular. So that's something that I would expect to continue here moving forward. There has been a little bit of focus though here as winter wheat is getting planted when we're looking at the moisture profile, particularly across the southern plains.
Absolutely. When you look at the moisture profile, take a look at May 6th as well as September 16th. This came out on Tuesday this week. You'll notice that the exceptional drought, the areas in the panhandle, Oklahoma and parts of Kansas that are extreme drought to exceptional drought, these are areas that have really improved in terms of their moisture profile. It's still dry down there, abnormally dry to drought conditions, but it has improved significantly, and it's one thing that's going to be weighing on prices here as we move into that wheat seeding time period.
You know, here, Cody, as we're looking out kind of the next 2 or 3 weeks, obviously a big focus right now is harvest pace for corn and soybeans. And if we take a look at these two maps provided by Planalytics here, the left is showing the temperature outlook, the right is showing the precipitation outlook through the 27th of September. And you can see here it's shaping up really for an excellent 2-week time period for harvest. Conditions are supposed to be drier than average for the northern grain belt, so frost freeze is not really a concern, and it should be relatively dry. That should help progress when we're looking at harvest. We saw 4% of corn reported harvest this Monday in the USDA report. Wouldn't be surprised if we saw 10 to 15% reported next Monday there, just in terms of harvest pace.
Absolutely. Bottom line here, a lot of things weighing on the grains here today, and we saw that reflected in price. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, give us a call at 877-472-4607. Remember, you can take a demo of the mobile trading platform that we have. You can, move around. You can move around the fields. You can even look in while you're in the harvest, or take a look at prices, see where your positions are. Take a demo of that, see if it was right for you. Other than that, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. We'll see you here Friday for the weekly wrap-up.